Okay, that's the straw hat. Yep. That's the straw hat came from. That's it. Anong sabutan? Sabutan. Oh. And this the bamboo tree. Look at that bamboo tree. Bamboo tree. Wow. And the coconut trees. Pakita ko sa kanila. Video? Oo, nag-video ako. Para makita nila.
Oo, santol.
Ay, teka, di ba God? Na, yung... Okay, this is the santol tree. It's a fruit. Sometimes it's sour and sometimes it's sweet. Anong gagawin mo, kakainin? Ito, ibobog ano?
Oo.
Ibobog. Ano na nga?
Ay, oo nga, ibobog.
Ibobog. Ibobog. I don't know what's that in English. Akala ko noong may nakatira ditong may bahay dito noon, yung ano na nga yung pangalan nila. Limutan ko na. Akala ko may bahay dito. Oh. What's that? Santol?
Santol.
Ano yan sa English?
I don't know.
Santol. Ito, pakita mo yan.
Oh.
Santol. Masarap. Delicious.
It's very sweet.
Yep. Wow.